Welcome to Wolf Cadillac. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2019 Cadillac XT5. This vehicle is featured in black metallic paint with alloy rims. We have our chrome trim accents, rear privacy tint, power liftgate, and panoramic sunroof. On the interior we have black leather seats. They're heated and cooled, as well as they have lumbar support. And we have our backup camera and dual zone climate, as well as our heated steering wheel. Now onto the interior of the XT5. On our door panel we have our black leather, brushed aluminum, chrome door handle, window switch, as well as our mirror controls, automatic windows in the front. We have power mirror fold-in, our speaker tweeter, and memory seat option. Below we have our Bose premium audio speaker system, as well as storage and our liftgate controls. Inside of the seat we have our power adjustable seats with lumbar support. Left of the steering wheel, we got our electric park brake and lighting controls, our gauge cluster with screen, multifunction leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, and our push start, infotainment screen with backup camera, navigation, and projection for our phone. Below that we have our volume slider, heated and cooled seat options, and dual zone climate, felt line cubby, gear selection stock, 2 cup holders under our leather cover, and our all-wheel drive controls and phone holder underneath. Padded leather center console lid, and front seats are featured in black leather with our Cadillac silhouette embossed in chrome and perforated leather in the lower portion of the seat. We have our rear view mirror. Above that we have OnStar controls, reading lights, 3 garage door openers, sunglass holder, tan headliner, and panoramic sunroof and moonroof above. Now back onto the exterior, we can see our alloy rims with Cadillac badge center caps, Cadillac badge off to either side in chrome, and then we have our paint match mirror caps and chrome door handles with LED strips and lock and unlock buttons on all 4 door handles, our rear privacy tint, chrome roof rails, as well as we have our paint match fit antenna up top. Round to the back we have our XT5 and 3.6 badging. We have a 3.6 liter V6 engine in the vehicle, and then our dual exhaust underneath, chrome tipped. This little strip right there is the reverse light. It lights up white when we put the vehicle in reverse. Then we have our power liftgate, inside of which we have the mats of the vehicle, our rear privacy cover, and the handles to fold down in the rear 60/40. Now onto the rear interior of the vehicle. We can see our black leather, brushed aluminum, as well as our speaker tweeter, chrome door handle, window switch, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats we have our leather magazine holders, and back of the center console area we have our rear heated seat and climate control options. You can see we can use the buttons to adjust our climate. Below we have our storage and our charging outlets. Then our back seats are a 60/40 split with fold down center seats featuring 2 cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our Cadillac XT5. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.